to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning.
Morning.
Happy anniversary, Blue 2. You've been giving us memories for 2 years now. And we thank you for that. So happy, yay! Well, we're going for a short ride. We got some errands to run. So we took Blue on this beautiful day. It's about 69 degrees on the motorcycle. It's supposed to go in the low 70s, mid 70s, or something like that. So we're off to Clarion and enjoying this day. So thanks for coming along. Gonna be a short one. Okay, we got all our shopping done. Now we're gonna head towards home. Unless my baby Cakes wants to go somewhere else. I think we're good. We'll go by 68 and then we'll cut through and get to 66 and head home, so stay tuned. We're on 68 now, coming out of Clarion. We tried to do some exploring. We're on Silvering Road? Sivering Road. This goes parallel to 80. And it's squiggly. Squiggly wiggly. Looks like a neat little road. Wow, did you just jinx us? Oh, I think I know where this comes out. Comes out to that little... Whoa!
Jesus.
That's a big ass
falcon or something.
big ass bird just flew overhead. I guess I thought it was Amy or something. No, Amy's not with us.
Poor Ames.
Oh, that scared the woo-hoo out of me. It's a nice road. I like it. So it brings us up to that Four Corners that we've been to before.
Well, no, actually, that would probably go out that way.
Yeah, I think so. We're on Hartman Road. This one's parallel to 80, as you could probably get a glimpse of 80. That was on the left. It's a nice road. Out in farm country. Yep, we're out taking Blue on its anniversary ride. bad day for a ride. Whee! Bumpity bump. Home sweet home. Thanks for coming along with us on our short anniversary ride for Blue 2. So keep watching. Don't forget, subscribe.